Welcome to part 19 of our UAE Traffic Fine series. Today, we're discussing the consequences of driving a noisy vehicle. Did you know that driving a noisy vehicle in UAE can cost you 2,000 AED? That's right. The noise generated from your car can disturb the peace and violate environmental regulations. It's essential to protect our communities from unnecessary noise pollution and ensure your exhaust systems comply with local regulations. At mycarsrepair, we're committed to helping you keep your vehicle compliant with all regulations. Visit our website at www.mycarsrepair.com to schedule a vehicle inspection and avoid fines. Stay safe and sound on the road. Thanks for tuning in to part 19 of our UAE Traffic Fine series. Make sure to follow us for more insights on traffic fines and tips for safe driving. Remember, knowledge is key to staying compliant and avoiding penalties.